Introducing the Doodle Mop by Square Scrub. The revolutionary Doodle Mop takes traditional floor mopping to a whole new level. Traditional mop heads struggle to clean the crevices found in today's textured flooring. The Doodle Mop uses disposable microfiber pads to reach those deep crevices and reduce cross-contamination between rooms. The compact design effortlessly reaches those hard-to-reach spots. With 4,100 RPMs of orbital cleaning power, the Doodle Mop obliterates the nasty buildup left behind by traditional mops. The Doodle Mop works great wet or dry, and greatly improves soil removal on LVT, VCT, tile and grout, rubberized flooring, and more.